Good morning. We are on a rainy day on the way from Aizu Wakamatsu to our last hotel for 2 days or 2 nights in Niku. Our plan is, our first destination today is a ropeway to a mountain. The weather is, it's rainy, it's clouded. Maybe we are lucky and the rain is gone when we are there. It's still 60 kilometers to go, so we have a bit of time to go there. Yeah, that's the first stop. Then after that, Land, and then we head to our destination in Niku itself. So let's get going. So we took the ropeway and followed a trail for around 850 meters to some kind of, whatever this here is, some kind of hut, and a sign which says 8.5 kilometers to our next destination, or 850 meters back to our start. There's nothing here. Not that worth. It says 20 meters in this direction, so we have a look there and maybe there's something worth coming up here. So we went into the path for 20 meters and there's a fruit tree with a shrine, more or less. So, for what it's worth, you can leave some change here for good fortune and yeah. Yeah, welcome to Jurassic Park. There are some apes here. I guess they're here because they can't leave. Yeah. Oh, right in front of us. Shit sogar. Yeah. Poor apes. I don't know how I feel about this here. They had an exhibit of me at a normal work day. And we are at our last hotel for this trip in Lake St. Nico. It's the name says it, at the side of a lake in Nikko. It's the Lake Shuzenji. It's around 1,260 meters elevation. This lake, it's a lake which was there was a volcano. The volcano erupted, blocked the path for the water, so the lake was built in some kind of way. Our hotel is a traditional ryokan. Has a hot spring, a natural hot spring, which we already went to. Why the lighting is so bad? Okay, better. And we just have to figure out how to manage our beds or build our beds. I'll show you our beds. Yeah, we have a little bit of something new for the end of this trip, for the next 2 nights, and yeah, we maybe explore a bit of the town later on, but today it's all this rainy. It sucks bad to be this rainy, but it is what it is. Tomorrow is a day with no rain and a big hike, so maybe I end it here, maybe not. You will know.